Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing an app and granting mic permissions. Do that now. Connect an external mic if available, because a good mic changes everything. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz for compatibility, and choose WAV or high bitrate MP3 depending on delivery needs. Place the phone on a stable surface to avoid handling noise. Then press record and speak a short test line. Listen back once to confirm level and clarity before proceeding. Once recording, watch the input meters. Aim between -12 dB and -6 dB so you preserve headroom. You should use a small windscreen or pop filter and keep the mic about 4 to 8 inches from your mouth to reduce plosives and sibilance. If you have an external mic, orient it off-axis slightly for natural tone. Make a 5 to 10 second test, then listen back. If you hear distortion, lower the gain. If it's thin, move closer carefully. When you finish, stop and save the take right away. Name the file with the date and a short title so you can find it. Export a WAV for editing and keep an MP3 for quick sharing. Always make a backup to cloud or external storage. If you encounter clipping or background noise, lower the input gain first, then re-record in a quieter spot. If needed, apply a gentle noise reduction or a low-cut filter in editor software, because prevention beats repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.